Ooh, do I have something special for you today? Look at that. It is a beautiful chunk of amethyst with a tree, a gold tree of life on the front. I just love that pendant. And of course, it's got amethyst all the way up the chain, amethyst beads, amethyst chips, and we used a little gold embellishment to really bring out the tree of life. Again, a little bit more of a dainty feel to this beauty. You know, I've always known amethyst to be a healing stone. So when I was doing the research for this pendulum and its properties, I really learned some new things. Amethyst is a stone of protection, of purification. Of course, purple has been symbolic with the crown chakra, so divine connection. And here was the most intriguing one to me, but it was associated with the release of addiction. And that was really special to me, being that I'm going on my 3rd year of being free from alcohol. I really have a connection with things that support the release of addiction. So I think this amethyst is just gorgeous. Something for somebody in that position to just be able to hold on to, and that would be lovely. So let's give her a try. Look, the tree does not want to face us. Huh, interesting. All right, here we go. 45-degree swing. Show us a yes. Nice. Okay, a little momentum. Show us a no. And there's my circle. My circle stop. Beautiful. Well, if you are in need of support from breaking an addiction, whatever yours might be, maybe this is the pendulum for you. Is she calling your name? Come find her at myfrequency.shop and give her a home. All right. Have a fantastic day.